So how do you lose a fight? The first way is to let ego lead. Ego is the need to be right, the need to get the last word, the need to prove you're tough, the need to show someone that you're not afraid. And every day, ego puts people into fights they never needed to be in. Road rage, arguments at a bar, arguments with strangers, arguments that could have ended with a walkaway, but instead became something much worse. The truth is, one of the easiest ways to lose a fight is to enter a fight that never needed to happen. Many people spend years learning punches, kicks, locks, and takedowns. Far fewer ever learn when not to fight. A single ego moment can erase years of training because once violence begins, there is no guarantees. The other person may be bigger. They may have friends. They may have a weapon. They may have nothing to lose. A fight doesn't care about your plans. It only cares about reality. Remember this. Ego can walk you into situations that awareness would have avoided. Avoid what you can, survive what you can't.